Hello everyone, my name is Chandan Singh and I'm an English trainer. Guys, today I'm going to teach you about a very small advanced structure that is banter with. Yes dear friends, banter with. So let's take a look what banter with is exactly. Guys, if you talk about the meaning of banter with, in Hindi it is called hasi mazak karna. It means you are going to use it as a verb, hasi mazak karna. Now, let me tell you the particular situation in English. English people, they don't know about this hasi mazak karna. They know the English situation. That's what I'm going to tell you. In English, the situation is the playful and friendly exchange of teasing remarks. Now I'm telling you. Suppose you are sitting with your friends, family members, and you are passing some comments. You are just passing some teasing remarks. It means a kind of joking, kidding, teasing, leg pulling is going on. So I'm talking about such an environment where all the people are enjoying, laughing, they're having fun. So that moment, that activities which is going on, that is called banter with. It means you are not serious. If some person is passing comments on you in a funny way and you are passing comment on that person in a funny way, that is called in Hindi hasi mazak karna. So you can use it as like joking or kidding or teasing. You can use in this way. So this is equivalent to joking, kidding, teasing. So banter with. Once again, I'm going to tell you the playful and friendly exchange of teasing remarks. The teasing remarks, but in which way? Friendly exchange. In a playful way. You're just doing leg pulling. Pulling the leg of your friend or any family members. Then you are going to use this banter with. Let me give you the examples, guys. Here there is a sentence. We were bantering with each other. If you're saying we were bantering with each other means what? We were giving some teasing remarks. We were having fun, passing some teasing comments with each other. We were having fun by saying something in a friendly way, in a playful way. And that was a kind of teasing, a kind of joking, kidding. Then you can say banter with. One more sentence. He started bantering with his colleagues during the tea break. So when tea break started, suddenly some colleagues, they gathered around and started bantering with one another. So bantering with means what? No serious conversation is going on. Nothing is serious. They are just having fun, passing some comments, enjoying, laughing. That is bantering. One more thing, you can say stop bantering. Stop bantering means stop doing this activity. Stop bantering. Be serious. Stop bantering. I don't like bantering. It means I don't want to do this kind of activities. I don't like that kidding. I don't like bantering, you can say. So here you are using banter as a verb. If you want, you can also use banter as a noun. See, as a noun, you can use it like I don't like this kind of banter. If you say this kind of banter, means here the banter has been used as a noun. You can also say one sentence like I was enjoying their banter. It means I was enjoying their banter. They were having fun. They were bantering with one another. I was right there and enjoying. So you can say that I was enjoying their banter. So banter has been used here as a noun. You can also use banter as an adjective. When you use as an adjective, banter becomes bantering. So you have to put it, like in ing form. Bantering in Hindi, this is called mazakia. So as it is an adjective, so you can put noun beside this. How? Stop talking to me in a bantering tone. If you say bantering tone means what? The tone is kind of this, kind of teasing remarks in a funny way. So the tone is bantering. You don't like bantering tone, you can say that please yaar, stop this bantering tone. It means your tone is not good. It is in a funny way. It seems as if you are kidding. So stop this bantering tone. You can use you are passing bantering remarks. So you can also say bantering remarks. It means you are giving me remarks, but your remarks seem to be bantering. Bantering means in a funny way, it seems you are kidding, you are joking. That is bantering. So this is the entire explanation about banter with. If you liked it, try to use it. You may come across in newspaper, novels, or maybe in magazine, banter with. So I hope you must have understood this. So this is all about this video, guys. So let's see you in another video. Till then, take care, keep practicing and have fun. If you want, you can take the screenshot of it. Thank you, guys.